To start, you want to pick up some press-ons. I accidentally picked up these kiss tips that look very similar to press-ons. Once you have your press-ons, you want to prep them by buffing out all of the shine and shaping them. I do not have a stand to put my press-ons on, so I made a DIY one with the end of a brush and some tape. Moving on to the most important part of acrylic press-ons, the acrylic. If you need an in-depth instructional on how to apply acrylic, please check out the other videos listed on my page. For these press-ons, I used a 3-bead method, making sure not to overfill the cuticle area or overfill the sides of the press-on. Once you have applied all of your acrylic, you can start polishing and applying your art. I got these butterflies from Wish about 4 years ago. Since I knew I was going to be encapsulating the nails, I did a thinner base of pink acrylic compared to the other nails that I just did polish on. And the clear acrylic was by Kiss. To apply the butterflies, I swiped the nail with monomer and then used my brush to pick up the butterflies and place them down. Then I completely covered the butterflies with clear acrylic. For my glitter nail, I used builder gel and then poured the glitter over the nail. I think I got this white glitter from the Dollar Tree. For the diamonds, I used the same gel that I used for the glitter nail. These diamonds were from a nail supply store. The builder gel, monomer, and pink acrylic were from Young Nails. After I applied the glitter and the diamonds, I put them in the UV lamp to dry. After I was done applying the glitter, the diamonds, and the butterflies, I moved on to my painting process. For these nail designs, I used regular polish, so once the regular polish dried, I then gave them their final gel top coat. There were 2 other ways that I also thought about doing my press-ons. This blank one, my final product, or at least what I thought was my final product, and then my actual final product.